Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Michigan Condo Voices. If you've submitted repair requests to your HOA and they seem to go unanswered, or you've been told conflicting things about who's responsible, or it's a co-owner issue, you are not alone. Today we're talking about what happens when HOA repair requests stall and why unresolved maintenance can create much bigger problems over time. In many communities, repair requests stall because the process isn't clearly defined or consistently followed. Common reasons include governing documents that aren't well understood, confusion over whether an item is a unit responsibility or common element, deferred maintenance due to budget pressure or underfunded reserves, requests handled informally instead of through a tracking system, or boards are unsure how to prioritize requests. When there's no clear process, requests can fall through the cracks, sometimes for years. Ignored or delayed repairs rarely stay small. Over time, they can lead to safety hazards, increased repair costs, greater liability exposure, strained relationships between boards and co-owners, and loss of trust in governance. In many communities, what starts as a manageable repair quietly grows into a larger issue simply because it wasn't addressed in a timely, documented way. This affects everyone, not just the person who submitted the request. Healthy associations rely on process, not personality. That includes written repair requests, clear reference to governing documents, a documented review or decision path, communication about timelines even when delays occur, and consistent treatment of similar requests. This protects boards from claims of inconsistency, co-owners from prolonged uncertainty, and the association's financial and physical health. Repairs are not favors, they're governance responsibilities. If a repair request stalls, co-owners can focus on process by keeping communication in writing, asking how maintenance and decisions are tracked, requesting clarification based on governing documents, seeking timelines instead of outcomes, and understanding escalation steps outlined in the bylaws. Knowledge doesn't escalate conflict, it reduces it. When repair processes work, everyone benefits. And when they don't, small issues can quietly turn into much bigger ones. You are always welcome to follow along for more conversations like this. This is Michigan Condo Voices. Take care, everyone, and thanks for joining me.